Bandhan Mutual Fund presents MF Corner.
Hello and welcome. You're tuned into Mutual Fund Corner YouTube edition. I'm Sonal Bhutra, and today we are going to discuss everything about the new fund offers or the NFOs. There's been a surge in NFOs in last 1 month, and a lot of specific categories, be it the energy space, be it the auto fund, we are seeing a lot of interest there. So whether you should go for these NFOs or not, or you should stick to the existing ones, Rushabh Desai, founder Rupee with Rushabh Investment Services, is joining us now. Rushabh, thank you so much for joining us. And there's been a lot of buzz in NFOs and in NFOs specifically if we talk about autos, because there's that Mirai Auto Fund, we are talking about the SBI Automotive Fund. What do you make of these two and autos as a category?
Sonal, first of all, the NFO rush is mainly for three reasons. One is to attract more AUM. It's like more of a business strategy for the AMCs. Second is to probably fulfill their basket if they don't have that particular product in their kitty. And third is that, since over the past 2 to 3 years, we have seen a lot of awareness in the index funds. So a lot of index funds are also floating out. NFOs regarding the index funds are floating out. Now, coming particularly, what you mentioned about the auto segment. See, this is what I feel currently. Autos are trading at a discount to their long-term average. So I feel that fund managers and AMCs are thinking this can be a very good opportunity from a medium to long-term perspective in the auto segment. So this can be more taken as a tactical call for investors who are venturing in sectorial and thematic funds. So I think, since the auto segment is reasonably priced and it's trading at a discount, I think this could be one of the reasons why we see a lot of auto NFOs coming up.
Okay, all right, we take that point. So the other category is the energy space. Energy stocks have gone up a lot already. We had that SBI Energy Fund that garnered so much money, so much more than what it had asked for. And now ICICI Pru is coming up with an energy fund. What do you make of that? Do you think it still get the kind of money that SBI Energy Opportunities Fund got?
Well, it's very hard to say, Sonal, but just to give you a small data, FY24, the financial year 23-24, accumulated around 66,000 crores of money, going into the NFO segment. So there is, because we are also sitting on a lot of liquidity, economy sitting on a lot of liquidity. The growth is very strong. We are seeing, around 20,000 crores of monthly SIP. So the country has plenty of liquidity. So, I feel that AMCs are, strategically taking out NFOs during this point of time so that they can attract more corpus in the funds, right? Coming to the energy segment, as you correctly pointed out, yes, the energy stocks have rallied quite a lot. But if you see the energy, oil and gas sector, minusing Reliance, it's trading at a discount. If you put in Reliance in it, then it's trading at a premium. But I feel that fund managers are thinking, okay, if you minus Reliance, there are other stocks which are trading at a discount where down the line it can be a good upside opportunity for the energy stocks and for the fund. So probably this could be one of the strong reasons why AMCs have launched the energy NFO.
Okay, get that. What has been the fundraise via NFOs this year, Rushabh, and what is the pipeline looking like?
FY 23-24 saw around 66,000 crores of money coming in the NFOs. Around, I think, anywhere between 150 to 180 NFOs were launched in FY 23-24. I think the pipeline remains that autos, energy stocks, like focusing on energy stocks, auto stocks. Also, a lot of AMCs are focusing on manufacturing and defense as well, because the government is also very keen to push manufacturing and defense. So AMCs feel that since there is a political push towards manufacturing and defense, there could be a good uprise or good upside opportunity in manufacturing and defense as well. But apart from thematic and sectorial, we have seen a lot of index funds also coming from, from different AMCs. So focus has also gone towards the index funds, because let's not forget that around 40-45% of the overall equity AUM, is going in direct. So a lot of direct investors are also putting in money in the index funds, looking at the underperformance in the active space.
Rushabh, last question. Are there any other NFOs which stand out, which are upcoming or which have, which are in the pipeline right now?
Sonal, to take this question little at a personal level, I do not recommend investors to venture in sectorial and thematic funds, and even in NFOs. I would like to give some time. If it's an index fund, that's a different issue. But for the active space, I would like to give, if it's in a, say, like a flexi cap, mid cap, or a small cap category, I would like to give some time for the strategy to pan out, how the fund is performing. And then I would recommend the investors to venture in if the fund is doing exceptionally well. Otherwise, I would still just suggest just wait and watch out. But if someone wants to venture in the index fund category, then there is no brainer. They can always, if it's a new NFO, if the strategy is unique, I think there's no harm in going in that index fund NFO.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Rushabh, for joining us. NFOs, they keep seeing a lot of traction and at least a lot of attention as well. We'll see which ones do well and which could be the next wealth creator for an investor as well. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Sonal.
Okay, all right. With that, we'll take your leave on this edition of Mutual Fund YouTube Corner. Stay tuned for more news and updates.
Bandhan Mutual Fund presents MF Corner.